So I'm having a little video at City Park in downtown Kelowna. The great thing about the winter is it's a lot quieter, so this is probably going to be my, well, I wouldn't say one and only chance, but one of the rare occasions where I can do a little video. So I have been working on clarifying a morning and evening routine for my self-care, and I'm in the process of creating one. Today I decided that I needed to get a little extra support. Unfortunately, I missed my bus, so I wasn't able to get the support that I was aiming for. But then I went to Interior Health and felt like it wasn't the right place, so I left and came into nature. And I picked a tree that's at the lake. A bear tree. Hello, puppy. So, interesting spot. I found some bird feather remains. One of those black birds. It's all over the place. I don't really want to show all of it. It's everywhere. So something hunted it, and I took some feathers, aimed to make a small smudge wand out of it. But first I have to find out what bird it is, what medicine it holds, and find my strength. So yeah, it's just so beautiful here. Just taking some nature time. I felt like nature's the only thing that can really hold me right now as I go through my gestation period of going from the old self into the new self. So I'm in a lot of quiet reflection, and I need to be careful who I hang around with and who I share myself with. A lot of nurturing, a lot of and needing a lot of empathy as I crack through some barriers in my own consciousness and unconsciousness and all that other stuff. So the reason I am here sharing is because I want to keep encouraging a self-care regime, and to work on allowing life to hold us. And so really tuning into the heart, what it needs, and knowing that there's a contrast to not listening to that, and that's agitation. So anything that is causing agitation is actually going against the heart and higher self. So that's why I left Interior Health today, and have decided not to go back and not use their services, because there's other places that are way more supportive to me on my journey. And in order to become the person I want to become in this world, I need to have the support that is in alignment with my spiritual, heartful self. So that's all I kind of want to share today. It's interesting because I was contemplating the blackbird. I'm just going back to that blackbird, and felt a lot of resonance with that bird, and then I was drawn to coming to this tree, exact tree, and seeing these feathers. So there's some medicine there for me to work with. And if there's any medicine I can offer now, is to listen to your heart and allow nature to hold you in some way today. Whether it's 15 minutes, half an hour, or an hour, please allow the earth to support you as you go through your own changes in life. This is Trina with Trina Energy and Movement Facilitation Services and Helping Hands Healing. Thank you.